Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney if you're new here, and today I filmed this look right here. This is my no makeup look, everyday natural look. This is a minimal look for me. Yeah, so if you would like to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. I'm going to be using the E.L.F. Hydrating Face Primer today. And just apply that with my hands. You can also apply it with a brush that's more sanitary, but if you wash your hands like me, then you can apply it with your hands. I also have a moisturizer and a face oil on. Continuing on with using the hands, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Dream Cover Full Coverage Protective Makeup with Sunscreen. It is SPF 50. So I just put this onto my hands, my fingertips, just apply directly onto the face. I start in the center of my face first and blend outwards to the edges of my face. So I like to apply this foundation for daytime because it just gives me a wash of pretty even color. This is my skin is just like naturally red, and I'm not a fan of that. So I like to use this to just even out my skin tone. And you can see it just gave a little nice wash over the face. Now I'm gonna go wash my hands. Okay, and we're back, and the pups wanted some loads, so he's gonna sit on my lap. Next, I'm going to go in with some concealer. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay concealer in the shade Fair. That was a different language. In the shade Fair. And I'm just going to apply this to the under eyes, any extra blemishes, you know the drill. I'm going to blend that out with a brush. This is a Real Techniques brush, and it is RT 300 concealer brush. Next, I'm going to go in with the Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer and just go directly onto the face. I'm keeping it up here because as you blend it out, it's going to come down. So you want to keep it up here, and then as you blend, it will come down a little further. Now for the nose, I like to take a tiny little brush like this. This is like a dupe for a Artiste brush, and it's very thin. And I'll just bring that down the nose as straight as possible. And this brush makes it pretty easy to do that. Then I also contour the lips. Again, I'm going to be using a Artiste dupe. These are from Amazon if you're curious. I think that they work pretty well. Gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury setting powder in the shade Medium. Okay, can you get down for a second? Thank you. Now we're gonna do brows. I'll probably either skip over or speed this part up. You definitely cannot be up here when I'm doing my brows. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade in the shade Brown Black, and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. Obviously the brows, they look like makeup. Not the biggest fan of how they turned out today, but we're just going to move on. So next will be bronzer. I'm going to go in with this E.L.F. Palette Fiji Matte here, and I'm going to go in with a feathered brush under the chin. Basically putting it everywhere where we put cream bronzer. Then on the nose, I'm gonna go in with a Sephora Pro Bullet Crease Brush and go gently on the nose and into the crease. Next will be blush. Again, with the same palette, I'm gonna go in with the blush and just tap this on the outer, right here, not so much here. Now, if you go overboard with this, obviously it's going to look makeup-y, but you can pounce over it with a damp sponge and blend it into the skin to have a nice flush to the cheeks. I've also been enjoying bringing that into the crease as well. Just very gently right here. Okay, next is mascara. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise today. Next is a lip liner. Obviously you could skip this step, but I really like to wear lip liner. This is the Milani pencil in the shade All Natural. I like to use this one because it's very similar to my natural lip color, just a teensy bit darker. So it really accentuates the lips. Right, and then lastly, my very most favorite lip gloss is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. And we're just gonna dab a little in the center. And that's it. That is my everyday no makeup look. Obviously it looks like I have makeup on my face, but this is my take on it. The skin is definitely more of a natural finish for me. I do love my full coverage foundations, so this is a no makeup look for me. I hope that you guys did enjoy this tutorial. It was quick. Yeah, I hope you guys are staying healthy and staying inside as much as you can. Please give this video a like and please subscribe if you would like to see more videos from me, and make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Please follow me on all my social medias. It's @LatestCourtney everywhere. Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.